The possibilities are truly endless when you start an e-commerce business from scratch. However, you have to decide what type of business you want to launch while you pick and work on understanding your niche. You need to also know what products to sell, specifically, and remain conversant with your competitor. Competition validates the market and ensures that there's money to be made in the niche. The next stage of your research will be to discover what sells best in the niche and consider offering similar products or services. In fact, incorporating a business and picking an e-commerce platform where you showcase your product is vital. Sales will be your next stepping stone to the top. You could one day be the CEO of a large company. But all journeys start with one small step. So if you are interested in how to start a self-growing e-commerce business and build a seven-figure income with ease, visit our website.